And starting right away, we are going to be looking at keyboard replacement for this Lenovo E570 laptop. And this is how it appears. And amongst the tools that I'm going to use my Phillips screwdriver and my cutting edge or pressure tool, which is this one. And without further ado, we can start right away. So I will turn the laptop to this angle, and we are interested in only these screws. This screw number 1, screw number 2, and screw number 3. There are only 3 screws that hold the keyboard, but before starting all that, we need to first shut down the laptop, and for this case it's already shut down in order not to have any power discharge. So I will have to first remove the battery, and removing the battery, you just have to pull these locks and slightly, gently flip the battery out. So this is the battery, and I'll put it aside. Then for now, that means we don't have any static electricity flowing inside because the battery is off and the computer itself is shut down. So we don't have any power or electricity inside. So what I will do, I will get this first screw, which is this one here. I will unscrew it, put it aside, go to the next one, put it out, go to the third one, and screw it as well. So once I'm done, I will just flip. It has marks of a keyboard. You can easily see there are always 3 for this model of a laptop. So I will open it, and once it's open, I'll get my pressure tool, and I'll move it the front side. I'll move the keyboard the front side, just like this. I'll just flip it slightly and gently over the sides, gently, and it will open. Once it's done, I will just open it up slightly, then pull it the back sides gently, and then flip it over, just like this. So once I'm done, I will have to remove these connection points, which I will open gently, open the second one gently, and pull out the cables, the connecting joints. And this is the keyboard I've removed. So I will need replacement for this one. In case I have a new one, I'll just get the new one. And in case this is my new one, I'll just do the same. Flip it back, flip it this other way around, and ensure that I've connected my connectors where they're supposed to enter. For this case, I'll first connect the first one, ensure that it has entered very well. Then I'll connect the second one as well, then lock it. It has a line. You have to ensure that it's aligned very well, aligned properly. So I'll ensure that it's aligned properly, and then press it all. Once that is done, I'll flip it this way around. Then start with this front side, enter it inside, then back, press a little so that it's aligned into its original joints. Ensure that there are these small locks, ensure that they are aligned in their proper positions. So I'll push it back slightly and gently, push the keyboard slightly until it fits very well into its sitting area. So once that is done, I'll close the laptop, flip it back, and then put back my screws. I'll put back the screws. The screw number 1, put back the screw number 2, put back the third screw, and tighten it very well. So once that is done, I'll get back my battery and flip it right, slide it right back inside. So I'll be done. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you soon. Cheers.